What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a typical what my toddler eats in a day video. If you'd like to see what my son Jax eats during the day, then stay tuned and keep on watching. So Jax wakes up at around 7 a.m. He doesn't typically start eating until probably around 9:30. Just this particular morning, I'm just going to make him some scrambled eggs, some Cheerios, the plain Cheerios, no honey roasted or anything like that. And he previously had started having one of those fruit pouches. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but I'll probably insert a picture of it or you'll see a picture of it. But yeah, that's what he usually has for breakfast. Sometimes I switch it up, but on this particular day, that's what he had. So lunchtime is around maybe 12:31, and on this day he's just having some french fries, some fish sticks, and we gotta have broccoli. He loves him some broccoli, so every day we try to put broccoli into one of his meals or both of his lunch and dinner meals. So for Jackson's last meal of the day, I just decided to make him some penne with vodka sauce and some broccoli. And that's the last thing he has before his bath and bed. So that is all that my toddler eats in a day. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these types of videos, please let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Bye.